What is the blockchain? The blockchain offers the ability to distribute ledgers in a decentralized way. And that's a key concept: decentralized records of information. Unlike centralized systems, where the ledgers of records are stored in a single specific entity, like a bank or a governmental institution, the blockchain shares the ledgers in between its participants. That's what makes it decentralized. This means that the ledgers are written and stored in a network, and its members are responsible to update it and monitor it. No record could ever be added without the consensus of its participants. Every block of records is constantly synchronized by the different members of the open network, creating multiple copies of the data through a shared record-keeping system, ensuring no one person or organization holds ownership of the data. So, a blockchain establishes an auditable and indisputable open record of information that is cheaper, faster, and more secure than any centralized system.